We just got done printing, and we're going to show you right now how to use the Nanovis HC-1000 to clean our ink cup as well as our printing plate. Let's show you how to do it. The HC-1000 comes with a large grid-like structure to stack parts in preparation for cleaning. One of the most important things to do to start with is to make our powder last longer. We are going to try to drain a majority of the leftover ink that's still in our ink cup. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull our plate off and set that aside. We're then going to drain this ink cup back into this cup ahead of the cleaning process. After our ink cup has been draining for a while, we can then take a paper towel and get a remaining amount of ink out of this ink cup. This just ensures that our powder that is inside the system lasts longer because it will contain less ink in the long run. To start with, the HC-1000 pumps cleaning solution that's non-flammable, non-toxic, and non-hazardous with a very low odor through this cleaning head. What we're going to do is we're going to use that cleaning solution to start the cleaning process. Before we even touch it, we're going to fill our ink cup and let it sit for a bit to let the cleaning solution do its work. Again, fill this up, and we're going to use the cleaning solution to clean our cliché off first. You can see just without scrubbing, the cleaning solution is doing its work. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the real-world time to clean one ink cup, but it is important to note multiple ink cups can be cleaned in about the same time as the cleaning solution aggressively attacks ink even while the ink cup is sitting. Our cliché is clean, and we're going to set it up here to drain. You can see that the cleaning solution is really starting to get into this ink cup and clean away the parts even without scrubbing. Again, for these tough areas, we're going to fill this up. During this period of time, we could start cleaning the second or third or fourth ink cup. It's important to note to use the cleaning solution to your advantage, because the cleaning solution by itself will clean extremely aggressively. As you can see, it's starting to eat away the ink that's inside this ink cup. And that's without any agitation. You can see there, we're starting to get our ink cup extremely clean. As you can see, our ink cup's about clean, and now we can use the blower to blow it off. We can also use the blower to clean our plate off. What this does is it recaptures the solution so that you never have to replace it, and you minimize your drag loss. We can finally take a paper towel and wipe the ink cup out to make sure it's ready for printing again and again. And now you've got a brand new looking ink cup that's ready for production. After we're done with this, we can then turn our recycling on, which will pull the ink and the solution through the proprietary powder and filter out the solution through the powder so that it's ready to go again. And that is how you use the Nanovis HC-1000 to clean ink cups and our Wild 50 printing plates without the risk of fire or using toxic chemicals. This system also eliminates the costly hazardous goods disposal fees, improving the environment, not only outdoors, but also in the operations where employees work, as no ventilation is required due to the non-toxic, nearly odor-free cleaner. You achieve all of this while saving nearly 90% versus a solvent-based cleaning system, meaning cleaning an ink cup with the Nanovis system costs about 10 cents versus around $1 using a solvent-based cleaning system. The only thing thrown away is the powder, and it is disposed of in normal trash. To learn more about how these Nanovis products can assist your group, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and depending on what platform you're watching this on, please don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and comment. Thanks again.